Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are in my rental property. So this property I purchased back in September of 2020. I purchased it occupied with tenants in both units. So it's a duplex. And recently, a couple days ago, my tenant moved out of this unit. So my plan now is to get in here and renovate this entire place and kind of show you guys before and after and run down, everything of pretty much how much everything cost me and seeing, if it made sense, if it was a good deal. So this is my first time ever really renovating a house or doing anything like this or anything similar to this. So this is kind of me bringing you guys on that journey. And, this video is going to kind of be there for me to see in the future and hopefully look back on and be appreciative of. But this is going to be the whole entire process. So hopefully you guys do enjoy. And I'm going to show a bunch of before and after pictures and videos. So just let's see what we do. Alrighty. So first thing you see as you're walking in is the living room. So the living room has carpet on the floors currently, which are not my favorite. The carpet isn't that old. I believe the carpet's less than a year old, but it's all coming out. Gonna obviously paint all the baseboards in here. And my first goal is to probably knock down this wall here. So if I knock down this wall, it'll give me a complete open concept with the kitchen in there. I would like to get rid of all the baseboard heating down here, the wall unit, and then the windows all need to get replaced. All these windows right now are like the old metal windows. A lot of drought comes through them. It's really not comfortable at all. Walking into the kitchen, you see some old appliances that are held together by duct tape. Not the very best. The fridge is okay, but still, needless to say, gonna get rid of it and upgrade. An old microwave, some old cabinets, old stove. So my plan is to completely do new appliances, resand the cabinets, and then repaint them, and then do a brand new countertop with a new sink. Same thing, windows here need to get done, windows there need to get done. Take off this ugly little wooden piece up here. Then right here, it's designed to have a washer machine and then a dryer right here. Now, as you can see, put a hole in the wall, hole in the floor, which is kind of ridiculous for the dryer. But we're gonna try to relocate the dryer and washer to somewhere else. As you see, I already bought some flooring for the place that I plan on putting down, but same thing, get rid of the baseboard heating. My goal is to save these cabinets, as I already said, but kind of move this smaller cabinet down to here, all the way over to the left, then put a dishwasher right there. So sink, dishwasher, end cabinet, close all that up, drywall it with a nice little backsplash in the back. Now we come over here. This is gonna be the closet where I plan on completely cutting out the trim, taking out the door, and putting a washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer in here. This is gonna be the master bedroom. You walk in here, obviously new fans are necessary. And look at the dust on that thing. That's ridiculous. New fans, new light fixtures. The closet's kind of okay. This is the door for the other closet on that side. But just kind of, make it a little nicer, make it more livable, I would say. A new sliding door for here since it broke off. Repaint all this wood trim. Same thing with the spare bedroom. Pretty much the exact same story in here. We have a fairly new water heater. I don't know how old it is, but it can be more than a couple years old. And then you can see right down here, the hardwood floor. That was what was running throughout the entire place before the carpet was put down. I was told that the last tenant ruined the hardwood floors in some way, which is why they put carpet, but not really too sure on that scenario. And then this is the bathroom. So the bathroom needs a lot of work. A lot of work. So as you see, my plan is to possibly resurface or repolish the tub. This is a cast iron tub. It's in good shape. I prefer to just kind of clean it, resurface it, and save it rather than putting a new tub in here. Knock out all of this tile through the entire thing. All this tile, put a new tile in the bathtub, just do drywall out here. New toilet, a nice little vanity, get rid of the medicine cabinet, and just put a nice little mirror there. Alrighty, here we are 3 months and 20 days later to this renovated place. So as you walk in, the first thing you see is that the wall got completely knocked down, completely open kitchen concept, the island, brand new cabinets, countertops, all of it. As you see, I got rid of all the baseboard heating and I installed an HVAC system. So that's awesome. Brand new dual pane windows in every single room. Very hard to get during the pandemic, but it's all right, we did it anyway. Brand new vinyl plank flooring, installed it myself. It was not very fun. But yeah, as you see here, this place has been a project. I have new appliances coming on the way. I ordered them a month ago and they should be here hopefully in the next few weeks. But I got, brand new stainless steel fridge. The oven's gonna go there, dishwasher's gonna go there, and then a stackable washer and dryer, and I'll show you where that goes in a minute. As you see, we got some subway tiles in the kitchen with some gray grout, but it looks amazing. Amazing. Installed recessed lighting through the entire place. So we got 4 in the living room and then 4 in the kitchen, and then it's all controlled. We got a 3-way switch here, so you can, turn off the kitchen from here, and then turn off the living room from here. So I'm really happy about it. Come in here to the hallway, go to the right, and this is where the washer and dryer is gonna go. So this used to be a little closet right here. We completely knocked it down. So we're gonna put a stackable washer and dryer there. It's got the hookups for everything. This right here is the master bedroom. Walk in here, got a brand new fan. Same thing, new windows, new closet doors. The slide. Got another closet inside the master. Then we got the spare bedroom in here. Same thing, same exact fan in here. We got 2 windows except. And then same story with the closet. And we didn't really do much to this room. This is the hot water heater in here. Kind of like the same flooring. Couldn't really pick it up with the flooring in there, unfortunately. And then we have the bathroom. It's simple and basic yet pretty cute. So we got the new fiberglass tub in there. Toilet, nice little vanity, little mirror. Oh, and installed an outlet, which was nice because before there was only an outlet to the light that was up here. But of course, we put recessed lighting in here as well. There used to be, I don't know if you guys remember, there was a window right here. So completely took out the window so we can do the tub. And then installed a fart fan in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all done. Blood, sweat, and tears for 3 months, and I am happy this side is over with. Now we're on to the next side.